Chapter 9. Light, Sound and Force. Stepping up. Light, shadow, sound, force. Children, can you tell me how many types of sounds can humans produce? Ma'am, we can produce different types of sounds. Yes, we produce sounds through our vocal cords in our throat. Tell me some other sounds produced in other parts of our body. Ma'am, our heart produces a sound while beating. Yes, our heart sounds like labadab, labadab. Ma'am, snoring is another example. Some people produce it while sleeping. That's right. Burping, sneezing are also some examples. Let's learn more about sounds and how are they produced. Light. Light is a form of energy. It enables us to see things around us. Sun is the main source of light on the earth. Luminous objects. Some objects like the sun, bulb and candle give off their own light. They are called luminous objects. The sun and the stars are natural luminous objects. The lamp, torch and candle are man-made luminous objects. Non-luminous objects. Objects like chair, glass and tree do not give off their own light. They are called non-luminous objects. Non-luminous objects become visible only when light falls on them. Shadow. When you stand in the sun, you can see your shadow on the ground. How is a shadow formed? Light travels in a straight line. When an object blocks the path light, a dark area is formed on the ground of wall behind it. This area is called the shadow. A shadow is formed when the path of light is blocked. Fun time. Shadow puppets. You can make a number of interesting shadow puppets by using your hands. The only thing you need is a candle or a torch in a dark room. Put the torch on a stool. Keep it facing a wall and switch it on. Now place your hand in the path of the torch light and create different shapes of animals and objects by changing the position of your hands and fingers. Goose, goat, hare, ox, butterfly, wolf, elephant, teddy bear, dog, donkey. Sound. When we talk, we make sounds. Our tongue helps us to make sound. We hear sounds of all kinds with the help of our ears. We hear various kinds of sounds all day long. Almost everything around us makes sound. If you strike a steel tumbler with a spoon, it makes sound. Name 4 things that make sound. Different types of sounds. Sounds we make different sounds when we talk, laugh, shout, cry, cough, or sneeze. Can we also make sounds without using our voice box? See the pictures given on the next page. They all are making sounds without using their voice box. Pleasant sounds. The sounds that we make may be pleasant or unpleasant. Pleasant sounds are those which are soft. We enjoy these sounds such as the sounds made by musical instruments, chirping sounds made by birds. We can make pleasant sounds with musical instruments. Did you know? The flute is the oldest musical instrument used by human beings. Tabla, harmonium, flute, guitar. Unpleasant sounds. Sounds can be soft or loud. Some loud sounds can be very unpleasant. Loud sounds are disturbing and can be bad for us. What happens when you and all your classmates start talking together? What does your teacher tell you? She tells you not to make noise. Loud sound is called noise. Noise hurts the ears. See the given pictures. For each picture, write S for soft sound, L for loud sound, P for pleasant sound, and U for unpleasant sound in the box. Animals too make sounds. I crow, I bark, I quack, I moo, I bleat, I hoot, I roar, I hiss, I chutter. Have you heard these sounds? Where have you heard them? Sounds in nature. You can hear many sounds in nature. Rustling of the leaves, thunder, crackling of fire, pitter-pitter of the rain. Force. We have to apply force to do work. Force is a push or a pull. We pull the door to open it, we pull a chair. We push the pedals of a bicycle to move it. What force can do? Force can help us to do many things. It can move objects. It can stop a moving object. It can change the shape of an object. It can make things go faster. It can slow down things. You see force when you twist or squeeze something. It helps things change directions. Did you know? A wet floor is slippery because there is very little friction. When two things touch each other, friction develops. Friction is a special force that slows movements. When friction is very less, things slide. When it is high, things don't move. But if there was no friction, we would not be able to walk. We would keep slipping off. Let us say it again. Light is a form of energy. Luminous objects give off their own light. Non-luminous objects do not give off their own light. A shadow is formed when an object blocks the path of light. Light travels in a straight line. Almost everything around us makes sound. Sound can be soft, loud, pleasant, unpleasant, and noisy. Animals too make sounds. Nature also makes sounds like the thunder, rainfall, fire cracking, and waterfall. Force is a push or a pull. Exercise. A. Tick the correct answer. 1. Light travels in A. Straight line. B. Curved line. C. Zigzag. 2. The main source of light on the earth is A. Sun. B. Moon. C. Bulb. 3. A man-made source of light is A. Sun. B. Star. C. Torch. 4. Pleasant sounds are those which are A. Hard. B. Loud. C. Soft. 5. Force can do A. Nothing. B. One thing. C. Many things. B. Fill in the blanks. 1 is a form of energy. 2A is formed when the path of light is blocked. 3. When we talk, we make. 4. When two things touch each other, develops. 5. A wet floor is because there is very little friction. C. Match the following. C. Tick the correct sentences and cross the wrong ones. 1. Firefly, Jugnu, is an animal that is luminous. 2. Light travels in a curved line. 3. Our ears helps us to make sound. 4. Friction is a special force that slows movements. 5. Force can help us to do many things. A. Answer these questions. 1. What are luminous objects? 2. What are non-luminous objects? 3. How are shadows formed? 4. What is friction? 5. What can force do? 6. What do you mean by pleasant and unpleasant sounds? HOTS questions. 1. During a thunderstorm, Simmi saw lightning first and then heard thunder. Why is it so? Hint. Which travels faster, light or sound? 2. Rohit is cycling to meet his grandmother who lives on a hill. Rohit cycles harder while going uphill. He doesn't have to do so while returning. Why? 3. Ayushman is not able to study for his test. Look at the picture carefully and say why. Activity 1. Go out and stand for a minute in the sun in the morning at 7:30 a.m. Mark the length of your shadow. Stand in the same spot at 12 noon and then again at 5 p.m. Mark the position and length of shadow both times. What do you find? 2. Sit in a garden quietly. Make a list of as many sounds as you can hear. Write also whether they are pleasant, unpleasant, soft or loud. Fill in the table below. Life skills. Be a good citizen. Are you a good citizen? Check yourself and tick the right option. 1. Do you play loud music in your house? 2. Do you burst loud firecrackers during Diwali? 3. Do you slow down your cycle if you see old people crossing the road? 4. Do you ring the doorbell of your neighbors and run away? Teacher's tips. Explain to the students what are luminous and non-luminous objects by showing the sun, lighted torch, book, pencil, etc. Take the students out in the sun and make them observe their shadows. Explain to them how shadows are formed. Explain the concept of force by pulling and pushing some objects.